Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a hot pink slash red smoky eye, and I'm also testing out new Makeup Revolution products. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the C12 concealer as my eye base for my eyeshadow, and then I'm going to set that with setting powder by Makeup Revolution in the shade Banana.
So, oh yeah, giving them so I'ma make you
And then I'm going in with my Regeneration palette by Makeup Revolution. I'm taking the shade Daydream and I'm using that as my transition colour.
go down now, Shall you feel it, yeah. Shall you feel it, yeah. Go down now, yeah. Go down now, Shall you feel it, yeah. Shall you feel it?
Because I am going for a pink look and Daydream is quite orange, I go back in with Fearless, and that's like a really light pink, and I just use that to build up that transition. And then I'm taking the C12 concealer on my eyelid. This part is optional, you don't have to do this, but I wanted the lid colour to be as vibrant as possible, so I'm taking that concealer and I'm taking the shade Ringleader and I'm just packing that onto my eye, just make
Go down now, yeah. Go down now, Shall you feel it, yeah. Shall you feel it, yeah. Go down now, yeah. Go down now, Shall you feel it, yeah. Shall you feel it, yeah. You know front, you know sabi down.
and then I go back in with Fearless again just to blend out the edges of the eye.
Now, where you want go, we go Wakanda.
Alright, so the foundation I'll be using today is the matte base foundation in F13. I knew F13 wasn't going to be a perfect match for me. On camera it looks okay, but in person it looks really masky. So yeah, I just had to mix this with my you can see I'm nodding because it just doesn't look right. You know, I feel like there should be a shade in between F13 and F14, and that will probably match me more. But in camera it looks really good, but in person it doesn't. And then you're gonna see me go in with F14.5, and that is the conceal and define foundation. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, this just kind of warms up my face a bit more, because this foundation on its own is really orange on me. So, you know, I'm still struggling. Hopefully I find a shade that's my shade, but for now, you know, the other ones were too neutral and it just couldn't work out for me. So now I'm using C12 concealer again to highlight my face.
Go Wakanda. Up inside with the vibe. Wakanda.
He said.
And then I'm using a shade from the matte base concealer kit to contour my face. I bought 2 of these and I couldn't find a shade that was right enough for my skin tone. As in, I bought 2 different sets, a medium one and a dark one, and yeah, it just couldn't work out. So the only thing I can really use this for is for contour. The matte base collection is pretty cheap, but I feel like they need to work on their shades. If the shades was banging, then it would have been a bargain, but the shades are kind of off. Like, they need to fix up something's missing. Set my face, I'm using the Makeup Revolution banana and terracotta mixed together. Listen, I was looking for banana deep because I feel like that would be the perfect shade. I've been waiting for the launch of that powder, but I couldn't find it. I went in the shop one day, it was there, the next day it was gone. So I've got to make do with this, and I'm just using this to sharpen up my nose contour. Alright, so the one thing that they delivered on, as in Makeup Revolution delivered, was the powders, as in the face powders. these powders are so pigmented, as in it's unbelievable. It's way better than my sleek. I have to say this with my chest, it's better than my sleek contour kit. As in, I apply this, it's so rich in color. God damn, it's actually amazing. It's actually a bargain. I think it was £3 or £4 for this powder, and there's no flashback, none of that. Everything's sweet with this. That's the only thing I will say gigantic thumbs up to, because these powders are amazing. And now I'm just setting my face, drenching my face with the Slay All Day by Gerald Cosmetics. I'm going back under my eyes. I already applied black liner to my waterline, and I'm just taking the shade Ringleader again, and I'm just going with that on my bottom lash line. To highlight, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Strobe highlighter, and this is in the shade Gold Addict. And yeah, nothing wrong like I said about this highlighter. Bargain and excellent finish. Mo Salah. Yeah, so that concludes the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and click on the bell so you don't miss when I post another tutorial, because I am going to be going ham. Yeah, so that's the end, and I'll see you guys in my next video.